Okay, so this is a Smith machine decline bench squat. It's for support, that's essentially what it's for. So I might have some clients that they just don't have the glute support to help stable them when they're at the bottom, so they just can't come back up. If that's the case, or even if you're struggling on the actual depth of the squat, you can use this. So what you do is you're gonna wheel it in, make sure it's in the middle. You know it's in the middle, rather than you trying to like guess it from here, just move the bar down and have a look for yourself, see if it's in the middle or not. It's easy to do. Then bring them up. You want to put it shoulder height so you can rack it and unrack it. Step over, sit for a sec, set your hands up, put your ring finger on the lines, on the little rings. Bring yourself in. Now because this isn't the same as a barbell squat, like you're going to have to walk in like a hack squat. If you do it on the spot, your back will be in the wrong space. So from here, as I do it, and I lift, walk myself forward, so I'm leaning onto it, subtle lean, and I'm just going to sit. So I touch and I come back up and I squeeze. This is just going to help to support you. That's all we're doing, okay? That's it. If you need more support, you just pull it out a little bit. Okay? So again. So this lets me go a little bit lower, train my depth a little bit more. Vice versa, if you're really, really struggling, just push it under more. Just push it under more. This meaning, I don't have to move a lot. However, it is a great start. That's it.